So hello and welcome to SB Cinema. And today we're taking a look at a special collectible. Very special collectible, as it says here. It's a radio TV. Well, at least at first glance. Because radio TV look from the late 90s. Yeah, and she is singing here with the picture of the radio in the back. FM, wire antenna, speakers, wow, volume control, and with a dial indicator. Wow! All of this in this little radio. That's the same on the back. I have an O at the top. So let's open it. I bought it at a flea market, but it doesn't have fleas. Comes in some bubble wrap that has already lost all its bubbles. And there it is. Well, yeah, it's not a TV. It's just a radio. And it does have whatever this is here. Let me see. That looks like it was indicated, used to be a stereo indicator, but it's now just a blob of plastic, it seems. Here's one LED. CE and quality control passed. Let me get you a bit more exposure here so you can see better. That's right. And wow, here are the features. The volume control, the dial. Oh, they don't even mention it got a 6-volt in jack. The wire antenna, which is a feature here, doesn't have a headphone out. Ha! Really, guys. And it runs on 4 AAA. Yeah, 4 AAA batteries. To keep it inconvenient. But it also works on the DC jack and you can charge the batteries in the unit. So, let's switch it on. Volume control works. It's one of those radios this. I have not the feeling that time moves slow. Yeah, it does have some stations. But the reception isn't great. It's best if you hold the antenna up. But now, well, let's open it. So, let's pop the batteries out, because there is probably a screw under them, which there of course isn't, but we have to take them out anyways. Need a different screwdriver. So let's pop his cherry and take him apart. The screws are out now. Let's see if it wants to come apart. Which of course doesn't. Why don't you want to come apart? Okay, now it's apart. They have been stuck to it. So, and there is our circuit board. Well, now you see there's not more in it. Well, at least no dial cord to rip. And yeah, this is just a dummy LED. Here's the LED just crudely soldered in. Yeah, well, hope you've enjoyed this little look inside this little novelty, not TV, radio. TV styled radio. And here we have the circuit board now. It got a IC, that's the switch, tuning capacitor, 2 RF stages, and well, I don't see more than 1 transistor. Wow, this is definitely after the time when they cramped 1 million transistor in every radio. And by the way, yeah, the speaker is here in the middle, not even reaching the glove covered fake speaker ports. Well, still a neat little collectible. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video.